Welcome to our YouTube channel, new video. In this video, we are creating this discount voucher code page. You can see there is the topic, I type our YouTube channel name, and you can see some image, and you can see that some title and small text, and you can see the promo code and expiry date. And you can see there is noted backdrop. In this video, we are creating this page. Please subscribe and join this video. Let's start. Okay, in here you can see I create a folder called coupon project, and I create HTML file and CSS file. HTML file name is index.html. CSS file is style.css. Okay, in index.html I type basic HTML. Here I will type new. I put class name as coupon. Okay, here I type again new. This new class name is container. Okay, in this container I type h3, and in here you can type a company name or company logo. I type as view code. Okay, in here, and here, after the container, I'll copy this coupon name. In here, in our CSS file, body, I type fun family. Okay. After I type that class name coupon. In here I type border. Border is 5 pixels. Dotted. I type color code. Okay. After I type width 80 pixels, 80%. Okay. After I type border radius. Border radius is 15 pixels and margin 0 and auto. Max width is 16 pixels. After I type this container, I will copy this and type it in here. In this I type adding 2 pixels and 16 pixels. Okay, after I type the promo. Okay, after we go here to HTML file. In here you have to create new div. In this div coupon, I type img tag. Here I type src. In here we have type image name. I copy this coupon and type it here and type here I type it is 100 pixels and 100%. Okay. After that, new div. In this div, I again copy this and put again class name, and class name is container. Okay. After, I'll go here and type again new color is, background color is white. Okay, now I copy this new class name and paste it in here. Okay, after in the new div, I type h2 in here. I type again. Okay, in here I type any text. Okay. In here I type again. In here I can type any text. I type text. Okay. In here, I close this div and again I type this container. I copy this and paste it in here. In here, I type a paragraph tag. In here, I type use promo code. In here you have to type span tag. In this span tag you have to type promo code, discount code, voucher code. This is our voucher code. This is our voucher code. You can see. In here, I type class name. I type promo as class name. In here, I type again the paragraph tag, class name, expire. I put here In here you have type date. In here I type date like this. Now you can see we have typed many things. Now again go to our style page. In here you have to copy this promo code last name. In here I type background is I type in color code. And use 3 pixels. After I copy this expire class name and type it in here. I type color. I simply type color is red. Okay, now you can see we successfully create our coupon code. Now you can see it in your web page. Let's go. Now you can see our website is very success. You can see the all layers pasted in here. You can see voucher code and expiry date and the title. Also you can see the image in here. I put all images download links in under drive link. You can see also the link. If you can't make this, you can click under link called get source. In that link you can copy the all sources and also you can download this video in under description link. Okay, I think you understand this video. Goodbye. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.